Two streaming giants everyone's heard about. But when you actually sit down to binge in 2025, which one really delivers? On the left, Hulu, famous for next-day network TV and a massive variety. On the right, Apple TV Plus, known for cinematic originals and prestige programming. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, here's a little roadmap for what we're actually comparing today. So we've got price, content library, original programming, user experience, features and flexibility, and finally, trial and payment options. Pretty much covering everything that actually matters when you're picking a new streaming service. So first up, price. Hulu comes at you with an ad-supported plan that's $7.99 a month. Classic. If you absolutely hate ads, the no ads plan is way steeper at $17.99. But here's something cool. You can snag some bundled discounts if you throw in Disney Plus or ESPN Plus too. Not the cheapest no ad option though, honestly. Now, Apple TV Plus, they keep it simple. $9.99 a month, no ads at all, family sharing for up to 5 people, because Apple loves families, right? But there's no cheaper ad-supported tier. And quick heads up, the free trial is only 7 days. So yeah, it's a tie here. Price-wise, the winner isn't super clear. They're close, but Hulu's flexibility just barely edges out if you count the bundling. Content library. Oh man, here's where Hulu goes all out. It's got literally everything. Tons of movies, all the latest network TV you can think of, classics, and you can even turn it into live TV if you want. Plus, originals like The Bear and Handmaid's Tale. But yeah, there's always a but. Some stuff rotates in and out, and for some movies or series, you need the bundle. Now, switching over to Apple TV Plus, they've taken a totally different route. Every single thing on there is exclusive, which is actually kind of impressive. Prestige originals like Ted Lasso, For All Mankind, and it's super family-friendly. But the library is honestly way smaller. No next-day network TV, and if you're hoping for a giant collection of movies, you're not going to get that. So, if you need variety, Hulu's easily got the win here. Original programming. Hulu has some critically acclaimed originals. I mean, The Bear, Only Murders in the Building, that's legit. But if you're looking for big budget, like cinematic stuff, Apple TV Plus scoops the trophy here. They've got prestige, stacks of awards, and every show just looks expensive, you know? Only thing, there aren't a ton of new shows every single month. So, yeah, Apple TV Plus totally takes the cake for original content. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Hulu actually launched before Netflix's streaming service. And now, you can even bundle it with Disney Plus and ESPN Plus. So, if you've got kids or you love sports, that one bill is kind of a game changer. Next up, user experience. Hulu's got user profiles, it's literally on almost any device, and honestly, the experience kind of feels like channel surfing back in the day. But I'm going to say it, the interface, it can get cluttered. Apple TV Plus, though, such a clean UI, so easy on the eyes, and if you've got Apple devices, it's like everything melts together perfectly. Plus, 4K HDR and that spatial audio thing is just built in. Only downside? It's best if you're in the Apple ecosystem. So, for pure experience, Apple TV Plus is the smoother operator here. Features and flexibility time! Hulu lets you go wild with upgrades like live TV, offline downloads, though you gotta be on that no ads plan, add-ons for Stars or Max, and those bundles with Disney Plus or ESPN Plus. You can really customize it to your life. Downside? Live TV gets pricey, and downloads only come with ad-free. Apple TV Plus? All the content's in gorgeous 4K HDR, and you can share it with up to 5 family members, which is cool. But there's no live TV and hardly any add-ons. If you want options, Hulu's the clear winner. Finally, trial and payment options. Hulu is super generous here. New folks get a 30-day free trial, and you can pay any way you like. App Store, Google Play, PayPal, even gift cards. Apple TV Plus, classic Apple style, runs a short 7-day trial and supports Apple Pay and the usual suspects for cards and gift cards. Not bad, but honestly, 7 days flies by. For flexibility and trial length, Hulu's got the upper hand. If you look at the scores across the board, Hulu's strengths are in its massive library, crazy options, and generous trial. Apple TV Plus crushes it for originals and that smooth experience. The chart really shows it's all about what matters most to you. In my honest opinion, Hulu just feels like the all-around champ if you want fresh TV, live stuff, and loads of genres. But if exclusive, high-quality originals are your thing, and you want a premium experience, especially for families and if you're deep in the Apple world, Apple TV Plus is totally unbeatable. Both have their wow factor, but most people, honestly, are going to get more out of Hulu. Hey, was this streaming showdown helpful? Bookmark it for your next binge and pass it on to your fellow streamers.